Hey guys, and welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Today we're going to do a little short review on a product that kind of helps out when you have a tub or shower faucet that may have some cracked tile around the handles and around the faucet itself. And it's a little easy fix to be able to brighten your faucet up and maybe kind of hide the blemishes and issues or cracks you may have going on with the towel. Stay tuned and check out the video coming up next. Okay, let's say you have a 1, 2, or 3 handle tub and shower faucet, and you've got tile and there's some blemishes in the tile in an older home, or it's starting to crack. You've worked on it and it's chipped and you just got that little eyesore there. So Pasco makes a product called the Quick Plate, and what this does, this kind of hides those blemishes. And for instance, I'm going to show you, like, a lot of homes prior to 1990 had 2 and 3 handle faucets like these, you know, and you would get blemishes and cracks. And replacing tile, it may be a color that's not available anymore. There were a lot of blues and greens and yellows back in the 70s, and you can't find just a couple towels to fix it, or there's not room in the budget to fix these tiles. So these plates here looks kind of like this. This is for a single lever faucet. Would go over the valve body, and then the trim would go here, and that would hide any of those blemishes around the faucet. Okay, it's kind of a quick fix, and it still looks fairly presentable. They make them in 2 and 3 handle. Here's a 3 handle one here. It comes with a protective coating on it that peels off. I already peeled this one off here, and that one is for a 3 handle. Okay, and you know, if you have a crack that comes out a little ways, this would cover up that crack or blemish. It also works if you have a 3 handle faucet and you'd like to upgrade to a single lever faucet. Okay, if your faucet's bad, I know a lot of single lever 3 handle faucets are not available anymore with a lot of selection, mainly because single lever faucets are the only thing that's code approved anymore for new construction. So you can put one of these up there, and if you notice, there's holes here and here. Okay, comes with a screw or a couple screws and this flat bar where you're able to put on the back side through those holes and draw it up close. Okay, and then tighten it up. Okay, then you would just enlarge the center hole, install your faucet, put your trim on, and you would have something that looks similar to this. Okay, it's a real cool product. I've got these in my store. I'll put links in the description. They run in the neighborhood of $20, depending on which one you get. They are made of stainless steel, so they're not going to rust on you. It's good quality, heavy duty, and just a real nice feature. If you guys have any questions about them, comment down below or send me an email. info@plumbingpartspro.com. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. I appreciate it, and you guys have a great day.